Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys a mini tutorial slash review on a product, or I don't even know if it's a product, on a electronic that I received for Christmas. And we are going to be talking about this Remington Pro Silk Ceramic Brush. This is the one that we will be talking about. I think he got this from Walmart and it retails for about $25, which is pretty good for, you know, for what it does. It's really good actually. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys my honest opinion on this and how I feel about it. So this is the brush. It's actually on right now and it's pretty hot. It has 3 heat settings. It turns on and off from here. You just press the button and it's up to the second one. You push it again and it's up to the highest one, which is 450. So I'm gonna disconnect it so I can show you guys and talk about it and like touch it without me burning myself, because I just finished doing my hair with it. I'm gonna be honest, I thought that these little, you know what, let me put my wand down. So I do have this little guante when I use this because it could get hot and I burned myself before. This glove did not come with it. But if you go to like Home Depot, or I don't know, you could probably get one of these at Sally's, I don't know. But my husband has one of these too because he works in construction, so yeah, you could probably find them at like Home Depot or something if you guys need one. I don't know. Just get a glove so you don't burn yourself. So now that I have my little handy dandy glove on, I can show you guys what I'm talking about. So when I first seen this online, I thought these were silicone. Like I thought the whole brush was made of silicone or something. I don't know. And it's not. Like it's really hard. Like they don't move. Like, you know, it almost feels like it's just plastic, like hard plastic that heats up, but in between you can actually see like these little things right here. The little black ones are the ones that get super hot on each side, you see. And then like this metal of it, this metal part right here is the one that gets hot. These little ones, they do not get hot. These little ones right here do not get hot. And I'm not gonna lie, like when I first tried it, like I really thought I was just gonna be able to brush my hair and see it, and no, así no funciona. Like if you don't brush your hair and you think you're going to brush your hair with this, you got another thing coming. It's not going to happen. You're going to pull the shit out of your hair just like I did. So make sure your hair is like super, super like untangled when you do this. That way you could just slide through it. Because another thing, I mean for 25 bucks for it to leave my hair like this, I mean I'm good with it. Usually straighteners are like way more pricier. And you know, I do recommend it. Something I do like about this is that compared to a straightener, I feel like sometimes when I straighten my hair, it leaves it so like, you know, just like so without volume. It's just look, I don't really like that look. But honestly, if you have a straightener, don't buy the brush. It's not going to make it faster. I feel like you still have to take your time with it because like I said, you can't just comb it, you know, and it's not going to get straight. It's just not going to happen. Maybe if you have straight hair, it will for you, but my hair is really frizzy. It's really wavy. Like, yeah, I do like this look though. I just feel like I could get this look also just by blow drying my hair. So it depends. So this was my honest review. I hope this helps you guys if you're thinking about buying this. I know there's some that are more expensive. Maybe those are better, but for the Remington one, this was my review, and I hope it helps you guys out. So that maybe you decide to spend money on it, and maybe you say, you know what, I'm gonna just stick to my straightener. I like what it does. I don't need it. And save your money. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Okay, so let's jump right into it. So first things first, I'm going to be taking the clip out of my hair, and I had just washed my hair the night before, so this is my natural hair. This is what it's looking like. And next I'm going to be going in with this Garnier Fruity Sleek Primer. Going to be spraying it into my hair just to get my hair prepped for the straightening part. Want to make sure it's really combed out, and I like to put the top half of my hair up so that I can focus on the bottom half, and so that's what I'm doing right now. And I'm just going to be securing it with a little clip. And next I'm going to be grabbing my brush, turning it on to the highest setting, which is 450, and I'm going to comb it out one more time because I really don't want to pull my hair. So make sure there's no knots, and I'm just going to be running the hot brush through my hair. Something I've noticed that works really well for me is to pull my hair back against the brush. That way the brush touches the hot plate, and I feel like it really makes a difference. rather than you just combing it through. So you can already tell the huge difference between the straight hair and my natural hair. And something I like about it is that you're able to grab like bigger chunks than what you would be able to grab with the straightener, since the plate is really long and big. So I'm just going to be doing this all over my hair. And another thing that I do have to do though is like brush my hair at every angle, just because it's not like the straightener where you put the hair in between two plates and you know you get that nice straight look. So yeah, make sure you comb it through every angle, get the baby hairs. And something else I like to do is run my regular brush against a hot brush, just because I feel like that way every strand of hair touches the hot plate and you get a better look. So once I'm done with that, I'm going to be moving to the top half of my hair. I'm just going to be running the brush again and straightening it outward. That way I still have volume and my hair isn't just pin straight. Want to make sure you get the baby hairs. And so yeah, really big difference. And so I'm just going to be finishing up. And so this is the final look. And you want to make sure you run through it one more time just to get any hairs that you might have missed. And trust me, this technique with the brush really works, so make sure you try it out. And so that's pretty much it. And now I'm just going to go ahead and put some argan oil and warm it up in between the palm of my hands. And I'm just going to be applying it to the ends. You have to be careful with this because you don't want your hair looking dirty. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.